Hi, Fly Gals and Guys. Welcome to September and welcome to the Fly Lady 31 Baby Steps Challenge. Today, the first day, we're going to shine our sink. We're going to get to work in just a little bit. So if you didn't do so already, grab a cleaning rag and whatever it is that you use to shine your sink. What I mean by shine is we're going to scrub it down and make it all shiny. Some things don't get ultra shiny, like mine, because I have the porcelain one. But do your best with whatever you got. Either way, it will be an improvement. Remember, progress, not perfection. Don't forget to listen to something fun, and let's get to work.
In the beginning, mine was looking a little bit more like this. But thank God for the Fly Lady system because with consistency in shining my sink every single day, it now looks like this on a regular basis. This is my starting point today from shining my sink every single day. I like to start with adding baking soda inside the sink. If it's particularly dirty, I like to make a baking soda and water paste and let it to set in the sink. Otherwise, I make a cleaning solution with vinegar and water on a 1-to-1 ratio. I put some vinegar onto the baking soda and allow it to fizzle. Isn't it just so satisfying to watch? I allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then I get some rags and begin to scrub. When I first started doing the Fly Lady system and my sink was super messy, I used to use the green abrasive sponges, but you use whatever you feel comfortable with and whatever your sink can handle. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Make sure to get every single area. If your sink is in pretty bad shape when you first start, don't despair. Keep going and use those muscles. Use a toothbrush to get on every single crevice. You only have to do this step once. It is the hardest baby step because it takes the most work and the most discipline. But once you start this, you will see your home will continue to improve each and every day, especially if you're shining your sink each and every night. You can do this, mama. You got this. Just look at how terrible my sink first was when it first started. And I don't even have footage from the very first day. But if I did, you'd get scared and run away. This system works. Keep at it, mama. I'm here with you every single day. We're in this together. If you have a garbage disposal, make sure you put some vinegar in it and also some baking soda, and it will freshen things right up. Get in every single area with a cleaning toothbrush if you have one, and be sure to rinse, rinse, rinse. Peekaboo! Now you're going to take a dry rag and be sure to dry off your sink very well. Get in every single area to make it nice and shiny. Don't forget the faucets. That is the end result. If you feel comfortable for extra shine, you can take a little bit of olive oil and put it in your sink. I don't do this anymore because I don't know, the sink is very moody. But when I used to put it with a little bit of peppermint since I didn't know if the olive oil will attract bugs or not. Remember, one of our rules is to clean up our mess so that our home ends up looking tidier and not messier. Make sure you shine your sink every single night. Shine it from today until the rest of your life. It's not going to take more than 2 minutes. It probably won't even take one. Change your dish towel daily and you'll be good to go.
Okay, so from now on, today until forever, before we go to bed at night, we're going to make sure we shine our sink. All you're going to do is once all of the dishes are out of the sink, you're going to take a cleaning rag, microfiber, whatever it is that you use, and just wipe it down. Make sure it's dry and it should stay shiny. If you do it every single day, it will stay shiny and always looking good. I know we can do this. Also, on Tuesday, September 6th, I plan to go live to answer any of your questions you have on the challenge and a live Q&A if you're interested. So be sure to meet me there. It's most likely going to be 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay? So I look forward to meeting you there. Don't forget to get your free calendars in the description bar down below. Download them or print them so you can follow along. Tomorrow is Friday, September 2nd, and you're not going to want to miss that one. It's going to be a super duper fun one of my favorites in the whole entire flylady system. So make sure you be there. Make sure you're following the 5 simple rules. I'll put them in the description down below and comment done for your chance to win the gift card. Be sure to share this video if you know someone that would like to join in on the challenge. And subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you haven't done so already so you don't miss a single part of the fun. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory.